Hi, we're going to talk today about the family tree model. Very interesting, very useful model, and it's simply all about mapping out our relationships. Business relationships, personal relationships, you name it. Two simple questions to ask. If it's let's say a marketing area, business development area that you're looking at. Instead of lengthy questionnaires, just two questions. First one is from whom you got the recommendation about this product or service. And the second question would be, who would you recommend this product or service? This way you identify both the sources as well as the prospects, the potential that you have. But obviously these questions are not enough. You really need to look at your contacts and organize your contacts according to these trees, these branches, and see where you have strengths and where you have weaknesses. And by the way, the areas where you have very low growth, it's just an indicator there is a great potential in there, great potential for healthy growth. Well, unless some of those can be identified as probably the critics or some neutral ones. You have to really take into consideration that as well. Those people that we have in our contacts, those relationships, are they our promoters, are they neutral, or are they our critics? And you have to then act accordingly to try to make the positive change towards that. Try to make neutrals positive. Try to make critics less of our critics and more neutral. Or maybe you have to develop some niche product to suit the needs of those critics. So very simple model. It takes probably an hour to sit down, go through your contacts, map out all those branches coming out and see the strongest and weak points and think. Good luck.